I made this video in just 5 minutes using AI only in just 3 steps. First step is creating a story. For this I am using ChatGPT. Write the prompt for the story. Now the story is created. In second step, we will generate AI voice audio for that story. For this I am using this website ttsfree.com. In the input box, just copy and paste the story and then select one voice you want to create. After selecting, just click on convert now and wait for few seconds. A download box will appear in a few seconds. Download that file. For last third step is creating animation for that story. So now I'm using express.adobe.com for generating animation. I have opened the website and created an account using Google account. Now once the page is opened, now scroll down and you will find animation from audio section. After this, just upload your downloaded audio file and wait for a few minutes. After few minutes, download tab will be appear. Now the video is created. Let's check it out.
Once upon a time, there was a little teddy bear named Teddy. Teddy lived on a cozy shelf in a colorful room. One sunny morning, Teddy decided he wanted to go on an adventure. With a soft leap, Teddy tumbled off the shelf and landed on the soft carpet.
All the links are given in the description. Let me know if you like this video. Thank you.